The staff saber spin. One of the most simple yet elusive techniques in all of lightsabering. What's up, everyone? This is Jake from Jake Likes Lightsabers, and today I'm going to teach you how to spin a staff lightsaber, and it looks like this. Let's go. All right, so this is the staff lightsaber spin, also known as a bow staff spin. It's been used for centuries, millennia, a long time, as a technique to spin long, straight objects such as this right here. So the question is, how do we actually do this? And the answer is, it's actually a really simple spin. It's just something that doesn't make a whole lot of sense and can be a bit of counterintuitive when you first begin to learn it. All right, so a lot of staff spinning tutorials teach you you hold your hands and then you swing it under and over and try to grab it, and it's all just very confusing. And I tried to learn it from that, and I was like, yeah, this doesn't make any sense. So that's why I'm making this tutorial, because honestly, I couldn't find a good one out there. So I'm gonna teach you this move, the Jake Likes Lightsabers way. All right, the Jake Likes Lightsabers special technique, the patented Jake Likes Lightsabers special technique, except that you can't patent techniques because it's not how patent work. I guess trademark, cool. Intellectual property and all that, because yeah. Anyways, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna start with the lightsaber held in our right hand, okay? And we're just gonna hold it straight up and down like this. Now, a good skill to have before you learn how to do the staff spin is to have the simple lightsaber spin down, which looks a bit like that, but obviously I'm doing it with a staff lightsaber, so it's a bit different. And you'll see right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the lightsaber outward. If you're holding it in your right hand, which I'm doing right now, the top of your lightsaber is gonna go to your right. If you're holding it in your left hand, the top of the lightsaber is gonna go to your left. And then I just showed you right there. We're gonna bring it to here, and then we are going to hold it and let it fall by gripping the lightsaber with our thumb. This is the same thing we do in our simple lightsaber spin, except that instead of doing it forward, we're doing it while it's in front of us, and we're doing it to the side, and we let it go here. So we've turned it 180 degrees. Hey everybody, Jake here, and before we get going with the rest of this video, let me tell you about this video's sponsor, JLL Sabers. JLL Sabers is a new up-and-coming lightsaber company. They sell sabers like this one, the Minok from JLL Sabers. It's the one I'm using in this video, which comes with a handy little staff coupler if you happen to buy 2 of them, and that lets you turn them into a staff lightsaber, just like this. Right now, if you go ahead and sign up for their mailing list, they're just starting out. They'll enter you into a raffle to win a free lightsaber, one of the tier 1 lightsabers there. Tier 1 lightsabers, all of them look really good. My personal favorite is the Royal. I have one on order. I'll be doing a review on that pretty soon here. But if you go ahead and use code Jake Likes Lightsabers at checkout, you will get a whopping 30% off of your order. Go ahead and check them out. They're linked down in the description below. Again, use code Jake Likes Lightsabers at checkout for 30% off of your order. All right, let's get back to the video. So from this point, you're gonna bring your other hand in right here, and you're gonna grip it also with your thumb. It's at the same degree. You're gonna grip it with your thumb, and you're going to use this hand to pull the lightsaber farther while letting go of it with your right hand. So you go from here, you reach with your hand, you bring the lightsaber around, and you let go of it with your right hand. Now from here, we're gonna continue to turn the lightsaber. Right, we're just gonna keep turning it in the same direction just by rotating our arm and our wrist. And we're gonna try to bring it as far as possible by you're usually gonna have to bring your elbow up all the way to here. So we've gone from grabbing it here, and we've turned it a full 360 degrees to here. Now from here, we're gonna take our other arm, and we're gonna turn our hand so it's pointing inward towards the lightsaber. And we're gonna grab it with a firm grip like that. So we're holding it with both of our elbows out. I don't know if you can really see my eyes there. All right, now you're just going to let go of it with your left hand, push it a little bit with your right hand, or pull it, doesn't really matter. And you're gonna bring it back to here and back to our starting position. So that's the basic form. Let's do it one more time, a little bit faster. So we're gonna bring it here, bring it out, right? Grip it with our thumb, grab it with our other hand with thumb, bring it all the way around to the elbows are out, grab it like this, bring it back around to that first position. One more time, just like that. And that's the important thing right there, is just to remember that you can grab it. And then of course, you can just practice doing it, eventually be able to do it faster and faster and faster. And I'm gonna reach my limit here pretty quick and probably drop the lightsaber. But that's it right there. That is the bow staff spin. You can do it either direction, just reverse the steps of this video and do it with your opposite hand, but I'll do it real quick just with the left hand to give you an idea if you are left-handed or you wanna do it the other direction. All right, so we're going to bring it down here, grip it with our thumb, grab it with our other hand with our thumb, bring it back around, bring the elbow so that it's out, grab it with the other hand so both elbows are out and up, bring it back around here. And as you can see, I can do it perfectly fine with either hand, although I can't quite do it as fast with this hand because I'm a little bit lopsided, y'all. Anyways, gonna cut that out. Anyways, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you learned something from this. I'd really appreciate it if you would go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a comment on this video. You know, while you're down there, you just gotta do it, you know what I mean? Do it. Do it. All right, may the force be with you.